honestly, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. It's been a long day because again we're moving. I'm not sure if you can tell. You probably you kind of can tell the difference. So this is the moisturized arm. This is the unmoisturized arm. You can. It's a little bit more shiny. It's a little dull. So the thing about the lotion is it definitely feels hydrating and moisturizing, right? But the only thing is I want something a little bit thicker that'll I know that'll last and stay. Like I didn't put any on my lips. But cause I work, I'm gonna be in the sun. And especially during the winter time, I don't wanna have to reapply. Well, I'm gonna have to reapply anyway, but I don't want to have to need or feel the need that the moisturization in my skin isn't gonna hold up for the whole day. So basically, I don't really want to change the amount of water, but I do want to change the amount of shea butter that's in the product because yeah, again, you do need water for moisturization and hydration. I just think it's too thin. It's too little. So currently I'm applying triamcinolone on my skin, but I want to get to a point where I don't need to put triamcinolone on my skin, and I can kind of just wean myself off of steroids, period. So yeah, stay tuned for the skin updates. I will do my best to update this process in these videos, because Lord knows I be forgetting. Bye-bye, y'all.